In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Zoho Mail account to save copies of your sent emails. This handy feature ensures that every email you send is stored safely, allowing you to easily track your communications and retrieve important messages whenever you need them. Let's dive into it. First things first, we need to log into your Zoho Mail account. Go ahead and open your web browser and enter the URL https://mail.zoho.com. Once the page loads, enter your login credentials to access your account. Keep your username and password at hand for this step. After you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your Zoho Mail dashboard. Now, on to the next step. You want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a small gear icon, often representative of settings menus in many applications. Click on this gear icon to open important settings options within your Zoho Mail account. This is your gateway to customizing your email environment to better suit your needs. With the settings menu open, look for the section titled Mail Accounts. This section is crucial because it is where we will manage various settings related to the different email accounts you have linked to Zoho Mail. Click on Mail Accounts to bring up all the linked account settings, which includes adjusting how incoming and outgoing mail is handled. As you scroll down, you'll arrive at the section marked SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP settings control how your outgoing mail is sent, allowing for various customizations to suit how you want your emails managed once they leave your outbox. This is where you will find the option to save copies of your sent emails, ensuring that each sent message is stored securely for future reference. Within the SMTP settings, you'll see a checkbox labeled Save Copy of Sent Emails. By default, this might not be ticked, so you want to ensure that you check the box. This option is invaluable in maintaining a record of all your sent correspondence. It will keep copies of all your sent emails neatly filed, just in case you need to reference them later. Don't forget this last vital step. Scroll down to the bottom of your page and click Save. This is crucial because without saving, the changes you've made will not take effect, and you wouldn't want all that work to go to waste. Clicking Save will ensure that your email settings are updated properly and that every email you send from now on will be safely archived in your sent folder. And there you have it. Your Zoho Mail account is now configured to save copies of all sent emails.